This is my meal for today. Homemade wedges from the freezer with tartar sauce. This is my meal for today. I had last 2 jumbo meatballs. So I reheated them in the oven because I'm baking something in the oven. And this is my salad. Basically, it's lettuce, a little bit of carrots, Parmesan cheese, and I didn't have fresh tomatoes, so I put some sun-dried tomatoes. So that's my meal for today. And on the top is kind of I mix mayonnaise with a bit of sour cream and tiny bit of relish. So it's kind of tartar sauce, I believe. This is my late breakfast. I didn't have any orange juice, so I'm gonna have apple juice. And I had 1 cucumber, so I decided to use for my breakfast. And coffee. This is my meal for today. It's just simple salad, lettuce, tomato, a few olives, and a slice of quiche, which I have in the freezer. It's simple and frugal. It's Friday afternoon. I just returned from my little shopping haul. I wasn't planning to buy anything until maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but I had something to post. I sold something on Etsy. I had 2 orders, so I had no choice but to go out and post those orders. And I thought, in the meantime, let me kind of buy whatever I need. And the reason is, first of all, I'm not feeling well whole week. I have a fever. And the last thing I wanted to go out, and it's raining outside. It's terrible. But I thought, well, tomorrow is Saturday. And Sunday, I usually try to avoid shopping on weekends. And the reason is because it's way too busy. Also on Monday, as you know, I'm superstitious. I don't spend any money on Monday. But I thought, well, I still need milk, and I decided to pop into Walmart. So I'll show you what I bought from these shops. I went actually to Superstore as well. The reason is because they have broccoli, and it's a bit cheaper over there than at Walmart. So let me show you what I bought and how much I spent. Today is 31st, January 31st. I already did my kind of forms, and I'm gonna create a video. I hope it's tonight. But this one, I took the money from February. So basically it's tomorrow. So I took from my envelopes the cash of $50 to spend on groceries for February. January, I had a challenge, no spend challenge, and to my surprise, I did quite well. I mean, food-wise. And I'll share with you in my no spend challenge and whatever I did and how I did in January. Sorry, my mind doesn't work. Plus, I didn't have my lunch. It's 4 o'clock almost. Anyway, let me share with you what I bought. I didn't pay by cash because I thought, well, I do have Walmart cards, so let me put on Walmart. I'm so used to pay by cash, but I thought, okay, let me put on the credit card and I'll pay by cash. Before I left the store, I thought, let me pop into customer service, see if I can pay my card straight away. Bingo. So I paid straight away whatever I spent at Walmart, plus I got my points. So let me show you what I bought from Walmart. The chocolate, dark chocolate, like I need it. Yes, I do. So it's usually $1.48, $1.48, it's 100 grams. But if you buy 4, it's a $5. So I thought I'll buy 4 because definitely I'll enjoy them. Because I usually have couple squares. And I bought up walnuts as well. So this one was a good deal as well. It's like walnut halves and pieces, and it's only a $5. And it is 300 grams. So that's a good deal. Another thing what I bought cheese, marble cheese. And that one was $8.77. Used to be $7.97. Now it's like 80 cents went up. So that's what I bought. Bananas, believe it or not, bananas were on sale. So I don't know if I'm going to eat all of them. But whatever I don't eat, I'm going to freeze for banana cake. So bananas were 57 cents. 57 cents per kg, so that's very good. Per kg, or sorry, let me double check bananas. Yeah, 59 cents per kg, that's very good. Now next, what I bought milk, because that's what I was completely out. And I was having my coffee for a couple of days of dry milk, powdered milk. So I really need my my milk. Then I bought juices. I bought 2 orange and 2 apple. Oops, sorry. 2 apple juice. Sorry. Trying to record this video. and 2 apple juice. So usually they are over $2. Right now they are $1.48. Okay, what else I bought? Then I bought eggs. Believe it or not, the eggs for some reason were kind of a little bit cheaper. Usually for 30 eggs, it's $10.20 or $10.19, something like that, white eggs. Now the brown eggs, they were $9.53, so I thought, well, I'm running low on my eggs. I have probably 4 eggs, so I'm gonna buy. So my total at Walmart was $41.08. So basically that one is my week number 1 for February, because I usually budget $50 just for groceries. Okay, so I'm doing well. Now the superstore I spent $3.82. And what I bought broccoli, so I can do my kind of snacking. And Napa cabbage was on sale, so I bought 1 Napa cabbage. It was 88 cents per pound. So that's what I spent. I'm gonna share with you, like I said, because I wasn't feeling well, I'm gonna share you other shopping, grocery shopping. I think I have those videos because I didn't look very well, so I deleted it. Like, gosh, people won't watch my videos because I look terrible and I sounded terrible. But yeah, I'll share with you. So basically, it's going to be included in my menu video where I'm sharing weekly what I ate, and I'm going to include this video in that one as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience, and I'll see you in my next clip.